set up the whole fucking building! God fucking damn it! A fucking gang! I can't believe this shit! Well, guess that guy's gonna file a fucking complaint. Yeah, I was editing the video when it went off. It was us. It was us. Ah, fuck. Hornet.
Hornet?
Yeah. It was us this time. It was us. Oh, 3. Wow, he set off all 3.
Who did it this time?
I think it was us. Like my roommate was cooking was boiling hot dogs.
You guys don't know how to cook on campus? First pasta, now hot dogs?
Yeah, apparently.
Did you not get it together? Sorry, bitch.
I'm just surprised he managed to set off all 3 detectors.
Bro, how? If you're boiling hot dogs?
No idea.
Oh my god.
I'm very certain it was us.
It was you? What did you do?
Oh, 2 6. Yep, that's us.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, hot dogs. Fucking hot dogs.
Oh boy.
First is pasta, now hot dogs.
I'm leaving out.
Fucking damn it.